Looking for the perfect berry tone halo eye for the holidays? Today I'm using budget-friendly products from Shop Miss A to create a stunning, festive look. Stick around to see how I achieve this bold look, and don't miss a surprise giveaway at the end. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani, and today I will be creating a festive berry halo eyeshadow look using Shop Miss A products that are affordable and amazing quality. This is part of my holiday giveaway series, so stay tuned for details on how to enter and win. Now let's dive in. For my brows, I use the dual brow definer pencil, and seriously, this product is a game changer. It's dual-ended with a slim side for precise definition and a thick side for filling in fuller areas. Plus, it's smudge proof and long lasting, perfect for an all day holiday look. And me personally, I went in with the slim side for all of my brows because I love that micro bladed brow look. Then after I got my brows filled in, I went in and I topped it off with the Easy Brow Gel in the shade Ebony to sculpt and set them in place, and I loved how strong it holds. You can actually even use it before or after applying your brow pencil. Next, I carved out my brows using the Locked Creamy Concealer in the shades MW2, which matches my skin tone perfectly. And I did this so that way my brows did not look like they had a weird halo effect going on. I wanted a nice transition for when I prep my lids. And initially I used MN2 in the concealer, but I switched to the Inner You eyeshadow primer, which is the only eyeshadow primer I swear by, because this primer keeps everything vibrant and crease free, making it literally the best for bold festive looks like this. Now on to the meat and potatoes of this tutorial. It's the eyeshadow. I started with the Immersed eyeshadow palette using this gorgeous orange shade as my transition color. I felt like it would complement the berry hues so much better than just going in with a pink or anything like that. So I felt like this gave it this nice, just festive, warm berry look. Then I deepened the look with the berry red shade from UB's debut called the Eyeshadow palette, blending it seamlessly into the transition shade. And for the crease, I used a deep brown from UB's debut Fan Club palette, which I did not show you guys on here, but that was strictly to intensify the berry tones. And onto the center of the lid, I packed a cranberry shimmer shade from the Eyeshadow palette using a damp flat brush for maximum pigment payoff, which I just used my soft matte setting spray for that. And for extra dimension, I actually ended up smoking out the inner corners and outer corners of my eye to give that nice halo effect. And then after I got my halo, which is crazy because for whatever reason I can never do a structured halo, but something more soft like this I can do, but I'm just happy it came out the exact way I pictured it in my head. And then after I got my inner corner and outer corners done, I went ahead and I took whatever was left on that brush and I smoked out my waterline with the leftover shadow just for a nice sultry finish for this look. After prepping my lashes with the Duo Flex 2-in-1 mascara, which is one that's good for length and the bigger one is meant for volume, which I just strictly went in for length just because I will be adding on lashes. After I put my mascara on both my top lashes and my bottom lashes off camera, I went ahead and I put on my lashes, which I haven't worn lashes like these in a long time, but they are super duper pretty. And you know, who knows, I might just go back to wearing these style of lashes. I actually really love them for this look. But like I said, before I get off track, after applying my lashes, it was time to deliver this beautiful lip combo that I truly love, and I believe I'm really going to start incorporating it with all my makeup looks. So I went into the Rodeo lip liner. These are gel lip liners by Shop Miss A, and I love these just because they give a natural looking pout. This specific one, the Rodeo lip liner, is a cool tone shade that gives a natural effect once it's blended out. And then afterwards, for gloss, I use the Cosmic Cowgirl lip gloss in the shade Ghost Town, which is actually very close to my natural lip shade. And then I layered that on with the Pony lip liner, focusing it on my Cupid's bow and the center of my bottom lip for a more fuller look. And this lip combo was perfect, especially pairing it with this gold look. Not to mention the actual lip products themselves smell like candy. I hope you love this festive berry halo look as much as I do. Don't forget that this is a part of my holiday giveaway series, and the first winner will be announced on Friday's live video. To enter, make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and comment below your favorite holiday tradition. If you're loving this series, check out my other tutorials for more festive looks and gift ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and a good luck to everyone that is participating in this giveaway, and I will see everybody in tomorrow's video. Bye.
I think I hear the call, so baby let it snow.